Okay, as there is the time specification for the recording, so you might find interruption due to this thing. I'm very sorry for that, but what can do? What can I do right now? Because there is a time limit for the recording of the video. So we were discussing the principles of growth and development. We discussed that the method of satisfaction are different at every developmental stage. A child gets satisfied on the completion of any task, baby with a candy or with a tap and with a pat, but an adult may not get satisfied by these things. So need fulfillment and the satisfaction related to that particular need fulfillment varies with respect to different developmental stages. Now, with growth and development, we acquire our self-image. When we grow, we develop, we perform function, we perform our duties in a well manner, we become a responsible citizen, we become a responsible member of the society, then we acquire. Acquisition means acquire. Then we acquire our self-image. Self-image is what we think of ourselves. What is our perception about our own selves? What is our definition of our own self? This is self-image. Okay? So the positive self-image is very important, and it is definitely dependent upon the all these processes of growth and development. They lead to the development of either positive or negative self-image, and it has a lot of effect on our later life. Then there are gender differences. The development and growth, specifically the development, it differs with respect to boys and girls. We might see that usually this developmental process in girls during adolescence is much quicker than boys. And then there are individual differences. As we know, in the very first slide we said that developmental process, it occurs in the it occurs in different rates. So all individuals, they develop in different rates. So this is the individual differences. There are individual differences in the developmental process. Some children, they start speaking early, some they start speaking very late. So there are individual differences. Now these all were the principles of growth and development. Fine. So here over this topic of nature, definition of growth and development, it is complete. Fine. We have done the principles as well. We have done the differences between growth and development. We have done the similarities between these terms as well. Our next topic will be, inshallah, aspects of development. Fine. And I have told you in today's lecture that what is meant by aspects of development and what is meant by phases or stages of development. Okay, aspects of development are physical, psychological, social, cognitive, whereas phases or stages of development and growth are your infancy, childhood, adolescence, old age, and adulthood and old age. These are phases or stages of development. Okay, fine. So usually what we do, that we study the aspects of development with respect to different phases or stages. Now I'll complete my lecture over here. If you have any confusion, you are free to ask at any time through any forum. Never hesitate in asking questions. Okay, do read the contents which I have taught to you today from your book. Do answer my question that I have asked you, and if there is any other query, then satisfy your query through asking questions. Okay, Allah Hafiz.